We told footballers, hey, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, AS Strong 0, Champions League final. My brother, football is a game of opinions. What is your opinion? Regarding the game?
Yeah, Kialabuga game, it was beautiful. Recording the goal one. What we know, this is our second final. Last year we lost to Pyramids. This time we score one goal. Meaning away we must score one goal, then we settle. Thereafter we finish. This is our second chance to win the final of CAF. And even though we are going to win them away, we are going to win away. We are going to celebrate away. And even though after winning it away, Orbit is going to do us favor by beating Orlando Pirates. We are going to do win double CAF and league. Thank you. Orbit from Polokwane, Matabata Hoshimidira. I'm representing Polokwane. I'm telling you, football SA, Reina, Karitaka Fukwa, Africa. Orbit, 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 Africa, Leon. Oh, yeah.